Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Wild Rift and choosing Account, because that's where external logins live. Tap Sign in Options and pick Google. This hands the process to iOS authentication. Once done, iOS may prompt for the Google account selection or ask you to enter credentials. Make sure you choose the correct account for Progress Sync. If iOS asks for permissions, accept them so Wild Rift can read basic profile info needed to link your game. You'll now see a Google permissions screen. Accept the requested access so Wild Rift can link your profile and save progress. If iOS prompts for Face ID, Touch ID, or your password, complete that step. It's a security gate tying your Google identity to the app account. Once authorized, the game exchanges tokens behind the scenes to create or attach your Wild Rift account. Make sure the confirmation appears before leaving this screen to avoid. You finish by checking account settings in-game to confirm the Google link. You should see your Google email or linked badge. If the link fails, close the app fully, reopen, and try again. Also verify your Google account is active in iOS settings and that background app refresh and network access are allowed. If problems persist, sign out, retry, or contact Riot support with your player ID. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves most linking issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.